Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're mixing it up and we're making veggie burgers. We're not going to be using the oven, we're going to put it on the grill where a burger belongs. Let's do this. The first step is roasting the veggies to get rid of any excess moisture. So go ahead and preheat the grill to right around 350 degrees. Roasting everything first will add some great flavor and help the burgers stay together when they hit the grill. The protein base of the burgers will be a mixture of chickpeas and black beans. I also have some mushrooms, bell pepper, red onion, and garlic to give it plenty of flavor. I'll coat the vegetables with some olive oil and season with kosher salt and black pepper. Just give everything a mix, and you'll want to toss everything in a grill basket. That way you don't have to worry about anything falling through the grids. Now for the beans, I'm going to use this foil pan with some holes punched in the bottom. This is just what I could fit with the grill basket on at the same time. I'll throw in some hickory wood chips right before putting everything on the grill. Of course, this is a great advantage over cooking everything in the oven. You'll get that wood-fired flavor while everything roasts. You can expect everything to cook down for about 30 minutes. Midway through, give everything a stir. The veggies should be starting to get some nice color on them. All this moisture that's cooking out gives us room to add more flavor back into the patties with things like chili sauce and barbecue sauce. There's a lot of ways to get creative. Once the veggies have cooked down for about 30 minutes, it's time to pull everything from the grill to let it cool. For the burger mixture, I want some varying texture, so I won't add the beans in just yet. Start off with the roasted veggies from the grill basket, and you'll want a binder, so I'm using 2 eggs. I also like to add some soy sauce, a little chili sauce for some heat, and some barbecue sauce. Last up, for a little more binding power, I have 2 teaspoons of cornstarch mixed with a little water so that it'll mix in well. Puree all this together well, then add the roasted beans, followed by some grated Parmesan cheese and some breadcrumbs. Just pulse this a few times until the beans are chopped, but not as smooth as the first blend. Now pour the mixture into a bowl so that you can get a feel for what the consistency is like. Keep some almond flour or whatever flour you prefer on hand so that you can add a little bit at a time until you feel like the mixture is thick enough to hold together and form a patty. This amount will make 3 to 4 burgers depending on what thickness you're going with. I dusted the plate with some flour so the patties won't stick. Finish them by brushing on some olive oil. This will be the side that hits the grill first. This will help them get some nice color on the grill and keeps them from sticking to the grids. I also like to pop them in the fridge for at least 10 minutes before grilling. This helps them stay together when they hit the grill. Now preheat your grill for around 350 degrees and brush on a little oil right before the burgers hit. Once on the grill, I like to brush on some oil to the top of the burger. That way I don't have to worry about the second side sticking when I flip it. You'll want to grill the burgers for about 7 minutes per side. You can leave the lid down for most of the cook so that the burgers cook through and the coals don't get too hot. Now this is optional, but a little melted butter on top of the burger is a nice addition as well. During the last few minutes on the grill, I'll melt on a slice of cheddar cheese. Pepper jack would be tasty as well for a little heat. I'm going with the classic dressings for this burger today, but this would go great with some salsa, sour cream, and avocado as well. Build the burger however you like and enjoy. If you're gonna make a veggie burger, I hope y'all give it a shot on the grill. Smoking and roasting those vegetables first just richens the whole flavor. It dehydrates it enough to where the outside still gets a little crisp on it. So good. Hope y'all give it a shot. Cheers.